Hey everyone, welcome to this episode. Just want to quickly show some of the formatting options with Google Sheets so that we can kind of see what that looks like. So here I am, just fictional school data again, and we want to kind of take a look. So if I have a lot to scroll through, there's a couple things I can do. First, I'm going to go to View, and I'm going to say Freeze, and I want to freeze that top row. All right, that's the header row. I want to make sure that I know what I'm looking at as I scroll down. So now as you see, I can go all the way down my data. I'm in the hundreds now, and I can still line up exactly what each row is, and I don't need to double check and see that. All right, if I had more data to the left or right, what I can also do is I can do the same view and I can freeze. Instead, I will freeze columns so that we can do that, or up to the current column if I don't want anything to change. So you don't have to do one or two. You can kind of do a couple different ways. And it's kind of a really cool thing for us to do. So now that we have that view part down, I want to go over some formatting options. So here's our way to format numbers, right? We can also change font sizes, do the bold, italic, underline, strike through, all of that stuff. We can align here as well. Text wrapping, if we have like sentences of text, it will wrap it and make the cell a little bit larger. All right, and then I have my conditional formatting. This is where I can set up rules, so I can do different things. So if I have a whole spreadsheet here, I can do if cell's not empty, mark it green, and once I do that, I can definitely kind of see that it didn't really work. It was focused on just that one thing. But if I kind of apply my range here, and let's say, let's do this row right here. We're going to do A2 to D8. If it's not empty, it's going to turn green, and I'm done. So there's that nice formatting feature there. Another formatting feature I have is I have some alternating colors. I'm going to bring up this option over here to do alternating colors in different styles. So I can control this a lot and do it. And I can customize it if I want to make it, even better. However I want to do it. And it just basically does that for me and gives me a nice way to kind of look at this data in a way that's presentable. So that's really helpful when we work with data and spreadsheets to kind of look and use some of these tools. I want to thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. Have a wonderful day.